Hello everyone. I'm very excited to talk to you today because what I'm about to share with you is something that completely changed my life, and I believe it can change yours too. It's not just another business tip or success story. Today I want to talk to you about something called a morning routine to improve your English. Now maybe when you hear the words morning routine, you think about exercise, meditation, or checking your phone. But what I'm going to share with you today is different. It's about how the way you start your morning can completely transform your ability to learn, practice, and improve your English. And more importantly, how it can shape your future. When I was young, I did not have money. I did not have resources, and I certainly did not have the internet. But I had one thing, time. And the most powerful time of the day, the time when your mind is fresh, your energy is new, your heart is open, is the morning. The morning is when the world is quiet. The morning is when nobody is disturbing you. The morning is when you can focus on yourself. And I used my mornings to build the one skill that changed my life forever. English. Every day, I woke up early. While most people were still sleeping, I was already on my bicycle. I would ride for almost 40 minutes to the Hangzhou Hotel just so I could meet foreigners and practice my English. That was my morning routine. It was not easy. Sometimes it was cold, sometimes it was raining, sometimes I was so tired that I wanted to stay in bed. But I told myself, if I don't use my mornings wisely, I will never improve. If I waste the first hours of the day, the rest of the day will be wasted too. So I forced myself to get up, to go out, to practice. And day by day, little by little, I improved. Let me tell you, the power of a morning routine is not just about the activities you do, it is about the discipline you build. Young people always ask me, Jack, how can I be successful? I tell them, start by winning the morning. If you can control the first hour of your day, you can control your life. Because the way you begin your morning sets the tone for everything else. If you wake up lazy, you will carry laziness into your work, your school, your dreams. But if you wake up with purpose, with discipline, with energy, you will carry that into everything you do. So what should a morning routine for improving your English look like? I will share with you not just my experience, but also some practical steps you can take. And remember, you don't need money, you don't need fancy teachers, you don't need expensive courses. You need time, discipline, and courage. That's it. First, when you wake up, don't reach for your phone. Don't start your day by comparing yourself to other people on social media. Start your day by feeding your mind with English. Listen to something simple in English, maybe a podcast, maybe an audiobook, maybe even a motivational speech. When your brain is fresh, it absorbs more. In the morning, your mind is like a sponge. If you put English into it first thing, you will remember it better. This was my strategy too. I didn't have podcasts or YouTube, but I had tourists to talk to. So every morning, I filled my brain with English, not with distractions. Second, speak out loud. Don't just listen. Use your mouth, use your voice, repeat sentences, repeat words, even talk to yourself. I used to talk to myself in the mirror in English. I know it sounds crazy, but it worked. Speaking out loud trains your tongue, your mouth, your confidence. Many people can read English, many can write English, but when they meet a foreigner, they become silent. Why? Because they never practice speaking out loud. The morning is the perfect time to do this because nobody is judging you, nobody is interrupting you, nobody is laughing at you. It is just you and your voice. Third, use the morning to write. Writing is powerful because it forces you to think. Every morning, write a small paragraph in English about your plans, your dreams, your feelings. Don't worry about mistakes. Don't worry about grammar. Just write. Later, you can correct yourself. But the act of writing in the morning gives your brain clarity. It forces you to think in English, not just translate from your native language. And the more you think in English, the more natural it becomes. Fourth, use the morning for review. Learning is not just about adding new things. It is about remembering what you already learned. So take 10 or 15 minutes every morning to review vocabulary, phrases, or grammar you learned the day before. Repetition is the mother of learning. The morning is when your memory is strongest, so use it to strengthen what you already know. Now, some of you may say, Jack, I don't have time in the morning. I need to go to school. I need to go to work. I am busy. My answer is, you always have time. Wake up 30 minutes earlier. Wake up 1 hour earlier. If something is important to you, you make time for it. If you cannot sacrifice 1 hour of sleep for your dream, then maybe your dream is not big enough. I sacrificed many mornings of comfort because I believed in a bigger future. I was not the smartest student. I failed many exams, but I was willing to wake up early and practice when others were sleeping. That was my advantage. Young people, remember this. Small habits create big futures. 1 hour of English every morning may not look like much, but do it for 1 month, 1 year, 5 years, and you will be unstoppable. People will look at you and say, wow, you are so talented, but you will know the truth. It was not talent. It was routine. It was discipline. It was the power of the morning. I want you to imagine this. While others are still dreaming in their beds, you are awake, feeding your brain, training your voice, building your future. While others waste their mornings scrolling, you are growing. While others say, I don't have time, you are creating time. This difference, multiplied by days, by months, by years, becomes success. That is how ordinary people become extraordinary. And let me tell you something personal. If I had not created my morning routine when I was young, I would not be standing here today. Alibaba would not exist. I would not have been able to communicate with investors, partners, or employees. My English gave me confidence. My confidence gave me courage, and my courage gave me success. And it all started with mornings in Hangzhou, standing outside a hotel, waiting for someone to talk to me. That is the power of a morning routine. In conclusion, my friends, I want you to understand this clearly. Success is not about talent, luck, or being born in the right place. It is about the choices you make every single day, especially how you start your mornings. A morning routine is more than just a set of actions. It is a reflection of your discipline, your priorities, and your vision for your future. When you dedicate the first hours of your day to learning, to practicing, and to improving yourself, you are building a foundation that cannot be taken away. English, like any skill, is a tool, but it is also a doorway. It connects you to the world, it opens opportunities, and it gives you the confidence to step into spaces you never imagined.